Dan Perry here with another Dan on Tech PowerShell video.
In the previous video, we looked at the PowerShell interface. There are a couple of other ways that you can go in and work with PowerShell. If you are using PowerShell 5 or older, you can use the PowerShell ISE. And the PowerShell ISE is their integrated environment for PowerShell. So if I right-click and run it as administrator, my screen's going to be blank on the capture as I type in my password. But again, I want to run the ISE with administrative privileges. Now, I pop in and it has a graphical interface wrapping, but I just see a command interface just like I did with the regular PowerShell interface. Well, I do want to go in and make some changes to it. So I want to come up here, go to my tools and then options. And I want to make changes to my font size because, again, for purposes of recording, that font's not big enough. So I'm going to make my font size much bigger. And that may be too big, so let me back it off a little bit because of real estate on the screen. And that's better. Here on my right-hand side, I'm actually seeing a list of commands that are available, PowerShell commands. And if I click on one of those commands, let me pick one that I might know something about. It comes up, it gives me a little description of it, and I can actually do details and see if there's any more information about it. And it actually will let me there type in parameters that I would type in the command line, and then I could see what the actual command would be that would run. So it's a good way of learning commands. Up in the view, I can also come up here and turn on what they call the script pane, and that splits the screen, and I can type a command in the script pane, but it doesn't run it when I hit enter. So I can work on a script. I can type up a script that would run more than one command. I could do that in Notepad, Notepad++, any other text editor as well, and then I could run it. But by doing it here in the script pane, I can also test one command at a time. So if I go back to the get child item, one of the things it's doing is it's also helping me. It's got tooltips, and so once it came up with the child item, I can hit enter, or I could hit tab to fill it and hit enter, and it doesn't run it. But if I typed another command in, then it would run that command or put that command in the list. Then I could run them all at once. If I want to run just a command that I'm on, I only have one here. Up here I've got two little green buttons right now. The one that has the little paper behind it just runs the line I'm on, or if I had more than one line selected, it would run those selected lines. I can stop it, same as control break. If I want to run all the commands that are up here, then I can click the run button, and there's a shortcut of F9 for that one. I could then save this script. Right now it's untitled. It's got a PS1 for a PowerShell extension, but I could save that item. So that is the PowerShell ISE.
Thank you for watching this Dan on Tech video. Please subscribe to this playlist so you don't miss future videos. Please check out and subscribe to our other Dan on Tech channel playlists.